Hey my Cola Pops, and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see in the title, we'll be making some banana bread today. So what we're going to start off with is 2 sticks of butter. Now I'm saving the little foil that the butter came in because we're going to be greasing our pan with that. Save that, put it to the side. So to the butter, I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to cream those two together. Now, although the mixer is doing all of the work, I still like to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure that there's no butter or sugar caked up in the bottom of the bowl. So that's why I'm scraping it with my spatula, and then I'm just going to start mixing again. So to this mixture, I'm going to be adding 2 whipped eggs, and I already cracked these and whipped them myself. And to the egg mixture, I added 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To this mixture, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of nutmeg, 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla. And now it's time to add our bananas, and this is 5.5 bananas that has already been crushed. And now guys, to make banana bread, I never really crush out the bananas really smooth, like I don't puree it. I leave a little bit of chunk in it because it gives the banana bread a little bit of character. And when I say 5.5 bananas, I mean 5.5, and that's because one was a little bit rotten. Yeah, it was overripe guys, so I just broke it in half and still used the other half. Okay, now it's time to thicken up the batter, so I'm going to go ahead and add my flour to the mixture. Now keep this in mind, when you're making banana bread, the riper your banana is, the more liquefied your batter is going to be. As you can see, mine is dripping. So the riper, the more liquid your batter is going to be. I used 2 cups of flour in this case, and it wasn't enough, so I had to go ahead and add 2 more cups. The least amount of flour you add, it's going to be very soft and more like a banana pudding, which I made that mistake before, but it still tasted good. It just came out like pudding. Now when you're adding your flour, you don't want to agitate the flour too much by beating it too much, so you just want to keep an eye on this and watch for your consistency. And if you need more, hurry up, add more, and then beat it out, and then you're done. But as you can see, mine is still dripping, and that's why I added more flour. And this is where the foil from your butter comes in handy. This is what you're going to use to grease the bottom of your pan. So do you guys remember the consistency of the banana bread batter prior to me adding the flour? Well, this is what you're looking for. You don't want it runny, you want it looking like this.